Boom, boom, boom. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source of the day. My name is Shamari. Bang. Bang. All right. Bang. There it is. All right, there's my face. I forgot what button to press there. Yes, boys. All right. So we got some good news today. So it's going to be an interesting day. Whoop. 1 second. We're going to get in some new stuff. Obviously, one of the stories is custody. And we're going to get in some custodianship. Bang. But here's something interesting. What about the tax implications? What are the tax implications of this stuff? We're going to get into that nicely. We're going to get into that in terms of tax implications for the institutional investor. And then we're also going to talk about tax implications for the individual. You. Yeah, you. We are going to have to pay taxes on this. Don't worry, we'll get to that part in a second. And then, bang, Bitcoin. We're going to talk about it. I told you, store of value, store of value. And what are the people doing? Storing value. And I'm going to give you an example tonight. Bang. We have a new Discord site. We're going to talk about that. And then airdrops and shout outs. Bang, we're back airdropping hard. Yo, I see you, but hard. Airdropping hard. That's how we like it. Let's milk this cow. Let's milk this crypto cow every way we can. Look. If you're new around these parts, my name's Shamari. I have a crew of dudes. And we're not just sitting around investing in crypto. We have a crypto warehouses that we have that we're waiting for, bang, the whales to come and buy. But yo, we're not done yet. We're hard forking. Whenever there's a hard fork, we go get that. We'll go buy that coin, get that fork, take that money back, and keep that fork coin. But yo, we're not done. Bang, we airdrop. You know what an airdrop is? Free coins. Free coins, Shamari. Yeah, free coins. We have a ministry of airdrops around here. Woo-doo-doo. And we get free coins around these parts. We milk this crypto cow for everything she's worth. But let's get to the news. We'll get all of the milking. I might even tell a story or two. Oh, man. Oh, no, Shamari, don't say that, dog. Yes, maybe, boys. Hold on. So let's do what we normally do, what we like to do around these parts. Bang! Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, and Monero takes over the number 10. We haven't seen Monero at the number 10 yet. Bang, IOTA and Tron got put down to 11 and 12. Wow. All right, Monero's making moves. All right, what do we got here? Oh, nice and red. The wood is cheap. Stack your warehouse. The products and goods and services are cheap. Oh, Bitcoin's only at 6,120. All right, let's see what we're doing. Damn, Ethereum, you got the business today, bro. Down 18. Oh, Ripple, you took a licking, buddy. Oh, down to 25 cents. Might have to load up on some more of that. Bitcoin Cash took a lick. Oh, so we're talking low double digits. Cardano, how'd you get to 9 and you got licked down so bad? That's funny. All right, let's look at them. Oh, beatings. Oh, major beatings. Oh, it was a nice thrashing today. Oh, boys, get your crypto. Look at all this. Oh, nice and cheap. Everything is on sale. Digibyte, 18% off today. Steam, 14% off today. What else we got? Hold on. Let's look at some brand name business, though. What we got? Damn, IOTA, 22% off on sale today. Tron, 23% on sale today. That's how you got to look at it. If you're new around these parts, why are you laughing, dog? Look. Me and my crew, we're laughing our asses off. Look at this sale. Woo! All right, let's see. Oh, man, I'm just looking at this actually for the first time today. I'm so happy right now. I'm going to go buy some shit tonight. Yes. Because I told you guys, I had that money in the account. I waited for the weekend, man. I waited. I was going to grab it last Friday, but like some more, I'm not going to tell what coins, but some more stuff. But I was like, let me just wait. Bang. Tonight is the day to launch. At least some. All right, let's look at the least losers. These aren't winners today. Dentacoin, Metaverse, ETP, True USD, Tether, Day, Bitcoin, MOAC, Monocoin, Emercoin, and NEM. Now, let's take a look at the market cap of the day. Oh, schnazzle puss. Look at that shit right there, boys. Bang. We are down below 200 market cap, 200 billion market cap. Wow. Yeah. Actually, I didn't look at this yet. I just refreshed the page right now. Whoa. That's big. Holy. Remember last week? What was it? Last Monday, we were at 275 billion. Remember? And we were just talking about how Mac was 4 times the market. Mac is now 5 times the market. Remember, Macintosh went up to a $1 trillion company last week or the week before. I don't remember, but just recently, right? Damn, look at that. That's what tells you, boys. That's what tells you. When this money gets here, your stuff is going to fly. Look at that market cap. That's fuck all. There are hedge funds bigger than that. All right. Man, this is good news. Look at everything on sale. Look at everything on sale. We're going to get to the stories, boys. We're going to get to the stories, but look at that. Bang. 16%, 18% off, 14% off, 13% off today. 20% off on Cardano. Let's check out some VeChain for a sec. 30% off today. Guess what I'm buying tonight? Guess what I'm buying right when I'm done this shit? So I'm in full Forex trading mode right now. Oh, tonight I'm gobbling up goods. Oh, man, I'm gobbling up so many goods. All right, news. That's news, boys. That's the news right there. Look. Everything is on sale. Get that shit. If you have your fiat sitting in, like what I do, I keep about $4,000 or $5,000 in Coinbase, just in the USD wallet thing, usually, and just for times like this. Oh, and tonight I'm about to unleash it. I only got about $4,000 in there. I'm gonna fucking unleash tonight. Oh, I'm gonna empty that wallet tonight. All right. So, bang. Let's get to now. You never really think about this, but guys, get ready for it. Taxes. Look. I'm a hedge fund. Sorry, not a hedge fund guy. I am a Forex trader. So look. Yeah, I'm trading on exchanges and everything. But man, every April, I'll be just tinkering away, doing my thing, taking down this currency, taking on that. And every April, I get a tap on my shoulder. You know what I mean? Like, hold on, bro. I get a tap. Like, hey, man, hold up, man. Can't you see I'm in the middle of something? Hey, man. And guess who it is? It's Uncle Sam. It's Uncle Sam. Yes. Like, oh, hey, Uncle. What's going on? Right? He just does one of these to me. Shit. Is it April already? Fuck. Hold on. All right. And I pull out my money over here. He's looking over my shoulder to see how much money I got. Hey, man. Right? He's looking. See how much I owe him? Right? And I start breaking off money. Fuck. I'm not even bullshit you. I don't know how much I owe him. So I asked my tax guy, yo, how much do I owe this motherfucker? Shit. All right. Here you go, Uncle. I'll see you next year, not before. But anyways, that's what's going to happen to you. You have to remember that. You're going to pay, what I have to pay is called capital gains tax, right? So, as you know, I'm an investor. I don't have a job. I don't work 9-to-5 jobs. So my money makes me money. And so my capital makes me more capital. And so it gains more capital. And so that's why we pay what's called capital gains tax, right? Like you guys pay payroll taxes every week. You get your check. Boop, boop, boop. You pay your taxes. And then at the end of the year, you get money back or you got to pay a little more, whatever. We pay what's called capital gains tax. Now, you're going to be paying capital gains tax. That's why I'm bringing this up. Now, it's not going to be today. It's going to be when you sell your warehouse. But I just want you to get in your minds of just you're in a new vibe now, right? You're in a new thing. You're now investing. And you're going to be treated as an investor once you cash that in. And so let's chat a little bit. Let me read something for you. If the world of cryptocurrencies is relatively nascent, and so I also want to say this. This is mostly about the institutional investors, but just keep it in mind that it also applies to you, right? The IRS, this is about the IRS. And when Uncle Sam comes, he's got his IRS goons. He's got his IRS goons with him. That's why you just have to, okay, sir. You know what I mean? You can't talk shit to him because, oh, you'll be in trouble. So you just got to hand over that bread and get her done. And so, hold on a second. And so that's what we're going to look at right now. Right now. 1 second. Hey, I'm just doing my show. Come back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. All right. So, if the world of cryptocurrencies is relatively nascent, unformed, without a clear roadmap, guess what else is equally opaque? Tax policy. And that's what's going. Specifically, as Fortune points out, some of the biggest investors in the sphere are scratching their proverbial heads, wondering how much is owed to Uncle Sam. That's the truth. You see all these the hedge fund guys that are coming in now, they're a bunch of rebels. They're a bunch of cowboys, right? They're getting in this thing before the SEC has dropped the rule book on us. In other words, they're saying they don't give a shit. They want in now, and they'll deal with the consequences later. You guys, I've told you about Dodd-Frank before, how I got beat over the head. These guys aren't caring. They're like, we're going to get in now, and we will take whatever beating, if there is one, that the SEC gives us. The Internal Revenue Service said last month that it would train its sights on virtual currencies with a focus on larger firms and international companies. The upshot may be taxes owed or penalties looming or both. You can't tax something, at least not easily, without defining what is being taxed. And we're going to get into that. And as has been well documented, there is not much out there that clearly defines what exactly a virtual security is and is not. Is it a currency? Is it an asset? Remember, we were looking at the SEC. What the SEC say? Are these commodities or are these securities, right? Are these stocks or are these commodities? Now, depending on which agency you ask, the IRS defines crypto holdings as property. Oh my gosh, if they tax us like that, it's going to be amazing. It'll be amazing because you'll be paying property tax, which is fuck all. But then again, as Fortune notes, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, says that cryptos are commodities. Now, should those two agencies agree on the commodities definition, then there could be relatively positive tax implications. That's the other thing. If they tax this as a commodity, oh my gosh, we are so gravy. We are so gravy. If they do it as a property, we'll probably have to pay a yearly tax on what you own of it. So if you're holding it, they'll probably tax you yearly, like if you own a house, right? Every year, you got to pay property taxes, right? But if they do it as a commodity, it'll probably be only when you sell it. So you'll be able to buy it, hodl it forever. And then when you sell whatever you made, whatever profit, you'll have to pay taxes on that. That's your capital gains tax. And that's what it's for you. I know they talked about institutional, but it applies to us, right? Are they going to tax us on as our holdings as property, or are they going to tax them as commodities? Those are the good ones. Those are the two good ones we hope that they do us on. They do us like that. No agreement is in the offering yet, and the IRS stance may be in keeping with the 2014 ruling that treats virtual currencies as property. That means any gains on losses would be recorded and would have the same tax impact as would similarly actively logged on real property held by an individual or firm. So you're going to get taxed on it the same way, like I said, you buy a warehouse, bang, it goes up in value, down in value, you get taxed on it that way. You buy a home, it goes up and down in value, up or down in value, you get taxed on it that way. Oh, that would be so sweet. There could be some penalties afoot. The IRS says it has a compliance campaign in place that's tied to virtual currencies. Taxpayers need to report their transactions, the IRS has said. One lure to do so is absent. There is no voluntary disclosure program in place that would let those holders who have yet to disclose transactions to do so with limited liabilities to civil or criminal fines. They need to give some sort of amnesty. What I think is going to do, they're going to do what Obama did. Obama was like, look. I know you rich motherfuckers. You got your shit all hidden all around the world. I'm going to give you an amnesty. I think it was like a year or something. He was like, if you bring the money back, we will just tax it at the regular tax rate. No penalties, no fines. Just bring the money back to America. Behave yourselves, and we'll treat you all right. So, and that was called an amnesty. But he said, now, if at the amnesty is over and we find you, you guys are in a lot of trouble. And the IRS, they went on a rampage. They gave them their amnesty. A lot of them thought they were so slick. Obama, they pulled in, I don't remember how many, it was billions of dollars in outstanding money. Like, just jack these fools. Just like, oh, you think we don't know your money's over there? Check this out. Bang, we own it now. And then there was some more stuff you had to pay. Man, don't mess with the IRS. Don't mess with the IRS, buddy. That's Uncle Sam's boys. Uncle, what's up? Oh, I see you brought your IRS buddies with you. Don't worry, hold on. How much does this check need to be made for, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how you got to do that. All right, I'm being silly. Now, the funds, so these hedge funds have been actively setting up offshore investment structures to house investor holdings in countries that are relatively low tax areas. What did we talk about? What did I teach you boys about? What have I been saying? Regulatory arbitrage. If Uncle Sam's being a little too heavy with me here, well, I'll park my money over there in the Caymans or wherever. Virgin Islands, wherever you want, or wherever the taxes are best for me. That's called a regulatory arbitrage. Income generated from commodities located in those countries do not get tied to U.S. taxes. So that's what they're hoping for. If these things get regulated as commodities, you won't have to pay. So that's a hope. Because if they do regulate these as securities, well, you're going to still have to pay even though you have them over there. But that's what I mean. These are cowboy hedge funds that are coming in now. These are cowboys. They're coming in, buying their crypto, parking it here, parking it there, just getting loose. They're not waiting for SEC. Shit, they're hardly waiting for custody. They're just going at it. But in terms of the tax thing, you know what I mean? They're just getting loose right now. They're like, screw it. We're putting our money over here. So Fortune noted that there is not an official policy in place stating that these hedge funds can avoid filing a U.S. tax return, which means they can be on the hook for the monies owed. Remember, you can get Dodd-Franked. The IRS reportedly has a list of issues that need attention, and the Treasury Department may have guidelines in place this year. But in the meantime, some large holders must be on assumptions, which is always a dangerous game to play when the tax man cometh. So like I said, these are cowboys, and they're just getting in the markets now. They don't give two shits. Well, they give a shit, but they're in now. And they're just praying and hoping they don't get Dodd-Franked. They're praying and hoping that the tax regulatory structure comes out okay on their side, that all these things, when the SEC drops the rule books, that they are in compliance or at least can easily be put into compliance. So, but these are the cowboys. And that's what I want to say to you as well. We don't need these cowboys. These cowboys are good. Looks like they've kept us over the 6,000 mark on Bitcoin and whatnot. But we need the big dogs. Big dogs. The real big dogs. The JP Morgans, the Goldman Sachses. The BlackRocks to come in. BlackRock with what? $5.2 trillion under management? Yeah, we need those boys to come in. And those boys don't come in without full rule books. Right? We have the cowboys that are here now. Bang. But we need full rule books. And then they'll come here. So, but also think, but the reason I brought that up, think of your tax implications. Your tax implications. All right? Bang. Bang. Wall Street Bank's custody as perfect entry point into the cryptocurrency market. Now, Wall Street Bank chiefs like Jamie Dimon might appear to be critics of the emerging asset class. Their firms are reportedly examining ways of entering the market. Behind the scenes, notable names like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are considering providing robust custody. What's our favorite word around these parts? Custodianship. Providing custodianship tools for the cryptocurrency market. They're not thinking about it. They're doing it right now. Right now, they're building custodian offices, people. We're not going to get too much in this because you boys know already. But just for new people, you got to keep saying things because people keep coming, right? People keep subscribing and they don't know what we know, right? They haven't been following along the conversation with us. And if you're new here, look, just go back like 2 months, watch every single video, follow the conversation. We're in a process and we've been talking about it. And so if you want to follow it, why is my nose so itchy today? Holy smokes. Must be some hair in there that's tickling it. And no, I know I live in South Beach, but it ain't that. I don't do that. I don't shovel shit up my nose like that. Recently, Goldman Sachs announced that they were considering offering custodial services for cryptocurrency funds. They're not considering. They are building custodianship right now. I guarantee you that. If the plan does go through, it would mean a significant advancement for the still nascent virtual currency market. For one thing, it would provide a greater incentive for institutional investors. What do we need? Bang, we all know it around here. If you're new around here, we need big money to come. All the money that's here now is us, you and I, the retail investors, just regular folk. We need big money to come. And this will be an incentive for institutional investors to come into the market. Many big money players tend to stay away from cryptocurrency trading due not only to the volatility of the digital currencies, but also the lack of what? Custodianship infrastructure. Many of these institutional funds are required by law, and this is why. Well, why are they waiting, dog? Dudes, they're not allowed, right? They're not. These guys, they have billionaire buddies. They go golfing with each other. They sip champagne at the country club. They're like, hey, man, when are you going to get custody so I can invest in you or with you? That's what they're doing. Many of these institutional funds are required by law. Do you understand? They are required by law to keep their assets with a qualified custodian. It's not that they don't want to be here. Oh, they got billionaire buddies who are dying to be here and buy your whole warehouse, buddy and ladies. But they are required by law to keep their assets with a qualified custodian. And so that's what we're waiting for, qualified, licensed custodians. Hence, they couldn't even enter the market if they wished to do so. That's the problem. We need this infrastructure built so that they're allowed to come here, right? It's not that they don't want to be. They're not allowed. And they're not, they're not allowed to just buy $1 billion worth of Ripple and for their client and put it on a Ledger Nano, right? It's illegal. So that's what we're waiting for. Man, why is this taking so long? All this infrastructure takes time to get built out. You gotta set up the offices. You gotta get the code monkeys in there writing code. Getting it set up. It takes time, right? That's why I'm saying Q1 of next year. By the end of Q1 next year, I believe we are going to be on the march. We're going to be on the march. Because it takes time for them to build stuff, right? It's not like just like, all right, I got approval and there's magically you've got an office full of employees doing stuff. You got to set it all up, right? So the head of Coinbase custody, Sam McInvale, said that platforms are responding to the clamor. There is a clamor by the big money. They want in. They're not allowed. See what it said? Not allowed. Couldn't even if they wish to. So they got to hurry up. So these guys who want in, they're like, hurry the hell up. Build us some custody, man. We want to get in here. So he said, this is the guy from Coinbase. He says that there is a clamor by big money. Let's look at that. Clamor. Whoop. Bumbaclot. A clamor by big money. Anyways, you see it. A clamor by big money players for what? Reputable names to enter the market. And that's the other thing. I'm not dissing Coinbase, but let's get real. Coinbase is just a San Francisco techie nerdy place. Right? There's a bunch of tech nerds who decided to buy a couple companies to become custodians. Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan have doing that for over hundreds of years. They're the trusted names. Right? When they come online with their custodianship, no one's going to have a doubt. No one's going to have they're not even going to think twice. Oh, Goldman Sachs has custody? Bang, I'm in. Sign me up. Oh, JP Morgan has the big names. I'm talking the big money now, boys. right? I'm talking $100 billion hedge funds, $75 billion hedge funds, $200 billion hedge funds. They need those big names to bring in the custody services. But when they do, and what did we hear? What did we hear? Bang. Examining ways to enter the market. Examining ways. Bang. And we read about it the other day. Remember homeboy? Remember, what was it? Goldman Sachs poached that dude from Europe. They're poaching each other. They're already setting up their stuff. So this is what this guy says. According to the McInville guy, this is the Coinbase guy. People were saying, hey, we're already holding Bitcoin with you. We trust you, but we need more. We need a regulatory component. We need monthly statements. We need a different type of insurance. Many experts have identified the emergence of robust custodial tools as the next significant step in the evolution of the cryptocurrency industry. In fact, one of the biggest concerns of the SEC concerning the approval of a Bitcoin ETF is the lack of crypto custodial infrastructure on the ground. Apart from considering custody solutions, major Wall Street banks are also looking at the actual virtual currency trading itself. The likes of JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs already do this. So when they're telling you, when Jamie Dimon and those guys are on CNBC telling you they think crypto's bullshit, don't believe it. Like, if they're scaring you and you're thinking like, oh man, this crypto thing's not going to work. Look at the big bankers. They don't like it. They're lying. They're lying. They're building custody services. Watch this. The likes of JP Morgan and Morgan Sachs trade Bitcoin futures on behalf of their clients already. They're lying. Look. So what I'm saying is stay strong. If you're out there and you're in doubt about this stuff, like, oh man, and you see that red like today, don't let that red scare you. That red, everything is on sale. Buy more. Buy more. See this red? Look at the sales today. I'm about to murder it. Look at Ethereum, only $261. Bang. I might buy 5 of those little bitches right now, tonight. Look at everything else. Man, shit, I wish I had more in my flipping little Coinbase account. But look, everything's on sale. Don't let those CEOs scare you. Don't let them scare you, because that's what they want. They don't want you to buy it, because they want to come here and buy it dirt cheap. They don't want to be all like, yes, we love crypto. Then everyone's going to get here and buy it, right? Before they get here. So they talk it down. It's called talking something down. It's like what the Japanese government does. They're always talking down their yen because they're an export country. So they always want to pretend that their yen sucks, hoping you make it suck so that they can sell you their goods cheaper. But it never works, because why? Everyone knows the Japanese government is amazing. So they keep buying their Japanese bonds. And so the bonds keep going up. And so the yen keeps going up. So the Japanese have been trying for over 10 years to make their yen weak. They can't. Why'd I bring that up? But anyway, so shit's on sale. Shit is on sale, boys. Get your crypto warehouse built. More today. All right. What were we talking about here, though? But custodianship. Exactly. They're already trading futures. I told you what futures are, so I'm not going to get into that. Others are reportedly in the midst of developing crypto-focused products and services as well. They're not thinking about. They have planners already doing that. Wall Street thus far has refrained from completely dismissing cryptocurrency. They take to crypto coin bashing, but here he is, this fucker right here from Goldman Sachs, Lloyd Blankfein. I always bring up his name. Recently declared that it would be arrogant to dismiss Bitcoin as a legitimate contender for the future of money as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. Yeah, that's what he's saying now. Remember a couple months ago? He was talking shit all over it. Can't now. They can't. So, custody's on the way, boys. Bang. Now, this one here, this is so funny because we talked about it last Friday, and I told you, I wish I could show you my trading platform. Oh, I told you guys, I'm in deep trade mode right now. We are thrashing the Lira, and so that's why I bring this up. We Forex traders, we are murdering the Lira. Because Trump just doubled the steel and copper tariffs on them. But what did I tell you last week? If you were smart, if you're Turkish, you would have bought Bitcoin and you would have protected your money. So check this out. This is just a quick one. And believe me, because I can tell you tonight at 3 a.m. when London market opens, I'm about to thrash that lira. I was waiting for it last night, but it retraced. So I'm waiting for the retrace. As soon as it breaks the retracement trend line, bang, we're going to murder that. All the Forex traders in the world are gathered around Turkey right now, waiting to murder them tonight. I'll show you the charts, man. I'm going to find a way to guys show you my Forex charts. Bitcoin jumped to 7-month highs against Turkey's national currency, the lira. The price spikes comes as the U.S. Okay, slow down, Shamari. The price spike comes after the U.S. imposed sanctions against Turkey on Friday for continuing to hold an American pastor in custody. Oh, did you see the thrashing that thing took? I wish I could show you the charts. The resultant economic shockwave has seen the lira drop to a new lifetime low of 720 lira against the U.S. dollar today after already having dropped 27% last week. So this is today, Monday. We murdered it last Friday. On a year-to-date basis, it's down 80% against the greenback. The crash of the lira looks very likely to be increasing Bitcoin's proposition as a safe haven asset in Turkey. That's what I was telling you guys. Remember I was telling you guys? This stuff, it's going to be as a store of value. Store of value. If your country's having a problem, buy Bitcoin. If America is sanctioning you, buy Bitcoin. If your government is about to go to war with another government, buy Bitcoin. If your generals are reigning a coup and they're throwing out your president in a coup, buy Bitcoin. So what's behind the sudden appeal? The sharp slide in the lira has already pushed up inflation, which along with the slump in spending power for TRY hodlers has certainly boosted Bitcoin's appeal as a store of value. A store of value. The increased interest is evident from the fact that Turkish cryptocurrency exchanges Paribu, BTC Turk, and CoinNim have witnessed spikes in trading volumes since Friday, since the sanctions were laid, because these investors are smart. As of writing, Paribu is reporting a 100% rise in trading volumes. That's the smart thing to do. Turk, if you're from Turkey and you bought your Bitcoin, smart move, buddy. Smart move. Because your lira, we're about to thrash it tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm about to short the dog shit out your lira tonight. And believe me, tens of thousands of other traders from Saudi Arabia to Indonesia to Russia to Chile, we are all poised. At 3 a.m., when the London boys come online, we are going to crush you. We are going to crush you. Do you remember last week I showed you when the president of Turkey, his name's Recep Tayyip Erdogan, right? When he had to beg his citizens, what did he say to them? He said, take your dollars and your gold from under your mattresses and buy a lira. He had to beg. Imagine your country, whatever country you are, imagine your president or prime minister begging you to buy your country's money because he knows. Because he knows he's about to get thrashed by the Forex traders. That's the power. That's the power of the Forex market. $5.2 trillion a day, bitches. Yo, yo, yo. If your country ain't acting right, we're going to short the fuck out of it. So, look. But you want to protect yourself against guys like me? You better buy some Bitcoin, son. For now, that'll help you. Wait till we get in. Wait till these guys get into the crypto market, though. It ain't going to be... Anyway, we'll talk about that when we get there. So I just wanted to show you that. Bang. The smart people in Turkey, 100% rise in trading volumes. You damn right it is. They're like, we're getting the hell out of this Turkish dollar. We're getting some Bitcoins. And that's what I'm telling you guys. That's where I see Bitcoin going into the future being a store of value, a safety haven against inflation of your country's inflated currency, fiat. All right, now, bang, let's get to the fun stuff. Boom. Look at this. Edwin's. So this is it, guys. We have a Discord site now. And here's Evans. We have arrived. If you guys told me it was such an important thing, I would have made a Discord thing long ago. All right. So, guys, everyone, give a round of applause to Bob, Because the truth is, it was Bob that helped me. I mean, we were sitting down together for about, I don't know, a good 3-4 hours. And he helped me set up all the things. So what we're going to do is, all right, so here's our thing. This is our official entry. Yes, look at the crypto boys. Yes, we have arrived. Look at us. Look at us. Hold on, let me have a sip. There we go, boys. We have our own space now. Our own clubhouse. You could thank Bob for that. Thank Bob. He suggested. I did it. And then he literally walked me through the configuration. He was like, all right, Shamari, press that button over there. Set up those permissions there. Set up that button there. Set up this permission here. It's not done yet, but I'm going to tell you what it's going to be like. So what we're going to be doing is, so we're going to have a main page, right? That's the page I guess they land on. It's called a landing page, I guess, in the stock market, I mean, the website world. So the landing page I'm going to control, and that's going to be for videos and whatnot. Then we're going to have another room. It's already there. So go there, guys. I put the invite thing, and I saw you guys were already there, actually. But I was sleeping, and then when I woke up, you guys were gone, and only Bob was left. So, but that's all I needed, actually, to help me out do that. Because we would have ended up just talking about some other bullshit anyway and not got any work done. So we actually put in work. Like Bob and I, we put in work. And so holy, every flipping time. Shit. Hold on, man. 5 minutes. I'm in the middle of my show. Give me 5 minutes. All right. All right, boys. So, bang, we have arrived. What was I saying? So, how it's going to work? The main page, I'm going to have the videos and blah, blah, blah. Actually, I don't know how to use it yet. You guys know I don't know anything about social media or anything, so I don't know how to use it. But I'm going to put the main page is going to be crypto blockchain news stuff. And I think I'm going to allow permissions for some of you guys to put some stuff on there too. And then we have already, it's over there, Bob's Airdrop Emporium. That's what we called it. And so Bob controls that. He has full permissions. He'll be able to kick people out, ban them, whatever. He can decide whether he wants to allow people to write in it or not, whatever. That's his space. I think I'm going to give Justin, I'm going to give you a space. We're going to call that the temple. That's where the minister of propaganda will be. And you can like drop science in there for people. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have a space just for, for everybody. So invite people. We're going to invite everybody and everyone, the whole world, come on in, and we'll have a space there. And I'll control that one. And we'll let everyone talk and just say whatever. No politics, no bullshit. Keep it on crypto and money. I don't want to hear crap about gays or immigrants or any of your human little hatreds. Keep it on money. And I won't have to kick or ban you out of there. And then we're going to have a private spot just for us, the regular crew, and anyone that we allow into the crew. And yeah, so it's going to be, it sounds like 4 rooms. I don't really even know what the fuck this is. So I'm going to be still learning. Hopefully Bob will, keep teaching me how to use this thing. And yeah, it's our clubhouse. And here we are. We have arrived. All right. Bang, 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 though. Let's get to now also. Oh. And so, I mean, you can go there now. I gave you guys the invite. I invited all of you guys. Actually, I added all of you guys already to the channels. So you're already in. Go hang out. Talk over there. But I mean, you guys are already talking on Twitter. Whatever, man. I don't know. But just, all right. Bang, though. Let's get to whatever you want to do. Bang. Let's get to our airdrops. Oh, look at the murder. What were we dealing with? Bang. What do we got? Costa Network. Go get it. Go get it. Exchange Coin ICO. Bang. Oh, look at Bobby's slaughtering these. Look at this guy. X Ethereum. We already did that. Litecoin 1. Try that one out. This guy here, this BHR coin guy, he's got some, but they ask for a little iffy stuff sometimes. So I don't really do them. You guys know me. I do the Adabob fucking sanctioned ones personally. And then I have a caution with the rest. Atom Uxnet. icon discret auto exnet. Anyways, so you want those airdrops. Look, if you're new around these parts, you want the airdrops, go to Twitter and go to Bob or at Bob844-11320, and you'll be hooked up with our Minister of Airdrops, and he will drop it on you. Let's do hold on. Someone just put a message right now as I'm speaking. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's Justin? What's he saying? Justin and Edwins are talking? Oh, they're talking right now. There will be a lot of momentum for the ETF at the end of the month. The good thing is how it could work out for me. All right. Anyway, we'll comment on your today's talk tomorrow show. All right, so that's pretty much it. Oh, now, what is it called? So, this is it. Let me make sure the camera is on it. Boom. Go there. CB Newswire. That's the name of the channel on Discord. Go there and join up, sign up, tweet, talk, or I don't know, tweet, but just do whatever you do on Discord. Like I said, I don't even know what it does yet. And on Twitter, this cryptocurrency blockchain news thing is at CB Newswire. CB stands for cryptocurrency, B stands for blockchain, and then Newswire. It's a newswire like Reuters or I don't know what, the Associated Press type thing, right? All right, and go there. So that's pretty much it, boys. That's our show for the day. Man, I love doing this for you. And like I said, I'm going to get that Discord thing. We're going to get it really working proper. Just let me figure it out. So give me about a week to get it working real good and figuring it out in my brain about how it works and what the capabilities are. Like, I don't even know what I can do with it. If you go there, you'll see. I was just talking to Bob, and he was just leading me through, how to configure this and how to configure that. But on a personal level, I don't really know how to do it, by myself, or just I don't really know what it does yet, or how to do stuff. So, but go there now and start talking, chatting. I mean, if you guys know what you're doing, have at it. Put up pictures, do whatever. It seems like you could do a lot of stuff. It seems like I can even be able to speak to you guys. So I was talking to Adabob about, like, we could do a live stream here on YouTube, but while we're chatting over there on Discord, because on Discord it seems like bang, bang, like Edwin can throw up a picture, or Justin can throw up a picture of something, or something, an article, and we could talk about it and blah, 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 more, I don't know. It seems like that. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you're just like, nah, dude. But whatever, man. I'll figure that out. But anyways, bang, we are official. We are bang. The Brotherhood is official on what's that thing called? Discord. Bang. Yes, we are official on Discord, brothers. So that's pretty much it. Let's shill this bad boy and let's get out of here for the day. Bang. Please subscribe below. My name's Shamari. I love doing this for you guys. Me and my crew, we're a friendly bunch. I got a bunch of guys here, and we don't play games. We make a lot of money. We milk this cow. This cryptocurrency thing is one big cow. There's hard forks to get. There's buying and holding to be had. And bang, bang, there are airdrops to be had. And my boys, whoop, whoop, we don't fuck around. We milk the whole cow. The whole cow. We're taking it all. And so come and hang with us. Talk with us. Don't be afraid. Don't take my abrasive voice or my drinking and all that. Yo, don't be afraid. Come on in. Tell us what you hodling. Tell us why you hodling. You know what I mean? Why you hodling? What you hodling? You know what I mean? We love talking about shit like that. We got Justin and Edwin and them. They'll talk about nodes and just shit like that, like all the technical stuff you want to talk about. You know what I mean? We're a friendly bunch around these parts, okay? So, bang, subscribe below. Visit us at Twitter, at CB Newswire. Visit us at the Discord. I guess I got to put an invite, so there'll be an invite in this description. And then there's some sort of permanent invite. I'm going to put an invite in the description of the whole channel itself here on YouTube. So everyone's invited. You are all invited. Join the crew. Become part of the posse. Like I said, we're laying siege to the castle. Let's go, people. The more the merrier. So subscribe below. Press the, there's a bell, and you'll get instant updates. Me and my crew will help you out. We're here to make money. Look. This is Shamari Clark. Bang. I'm always on duty. Always on duty. Bang. Over and out.